Hi guys, and welcome to Florence's Slime Factory. In today's video, we have got Eva versus Florence in... Yes, okay. So you've chosen your glues and your magical liquids. So what are we going to do first? Go on then. Squeeze. Squeeze. I don't need to use that much. What's next? Eva, you going to help Florence? Oh, look at how pretty that is. What you're gonna do now? What do we do? Give it a mix. Okay, so we're gonna make the slime, and then you guys are gonna go against each other in a series of slime tests. So how are we doing, girls?
Nearly ready.
Oh, stretchy. How's yours, Florence? Okay, are we ready for the slime tests?
Yeah.
It's Florence versus Eva to find out who the slime queen is. Who's gonna win? Well, let's wait and see then. So let's move your bowls. Get your slime out on the table, guys. Are you ready?
Yep.
First test, stretch test. Eva, you go first. Florence, watch and copy. Oh, wow. Your turn, stretch test. It's not bad. I think Eva wins the stretch test. Next test, swirl test. Here we go, nice and swirly. Oh, yes. Right, and do it. Let's see. Oh, look at that swirl. Your turn, Flo. Swirl test. Eva might want to help her do it.
Do you want me to help you?
Let's see if Florence's slime can pass the swirl test. Okay, we'll just try. Okay, so who wins the swirl test? Last one, you might win. This is the poke test. So, Eva, you go first. Let's hear. Oh, yeah. Florence, poke test. Put it down and poke it. That's next. Poke it with your fingers. Oh, yeah. I think Florence wins the poke test. Next, the bubble test. This is our last test. Eva's winning 2-1. Yeah. Maybe give you another go, Eva. That wasn't great. Come on. Now you've got to make a bubble like Eva. Not bad. That was a good effort. Let's see. Eva, can you try and make a bubble with the pink? Look how pretty it is. So stretchy. I think it's a draw for the bubble test. So Eva, you've got 3 points. Florence, you've got 2. So who's the slime queen? Woo! You can be a queen too. You can be the slime princess. Is that good? Come on, guys. Swirl that slime. Work that slime. Stretch that slime. Till next time.